Hi there, this is our Cosen R-1010NC bandsaw. It's a horizontal hinge type bandsaw, Taiwanese made. It's in good working order. The only thing that I've noticed on it is this switch here has been taped off in one position, which is its normal operation position, and that's the feed modification switch. When it came out new, you would have been able to switch it to the other position. For the situation that you're after a super accuracy, it would do a cut, then come out to a sensor here, double check and go back and double check that it's super accurate, and then it's had its other position, which is normal operation, which is where it's been taped off to. I would say a piece of material's just come down and broken that wire at some stage. It's in good working order. It's a fully automatic bandsaw, got a coolant system, etc. We'll start walking around it. So you've got your hydraulic roller feed set up at the back. It's got a pressure switch on it, or material sensing switch. It's got your blade breakage switch in here, your manual clamping there, control, flush down here for your coolant system, variable speed here, and then your adjustment for how much you'd like it to rise on the back. Okay, I'll turn that coolant system on. Oh no, yeah. So that's that coolant pump going. I don't have any fluid in it. And put it onto manual. That is up. And basically you've got, I'll take that, I'll retract that roller. I'll go up first. So that's the roller feed control there. I'm coming in and out. It's got two speed settings. I'll switch it over. So that's a slow speed setting there. And I'll switch it over again, and the fast speed setting. I'll turn that off and start that blade up. So that's that blade turning there. And we can adjust the blade speed here. Just slowing that down there. And that's changing that speed nicely. It's nice and easy to operate. And we can start doing that manual cut. So here's your downward speed control, and that's working nicely as I turn that. So we'll just do a wee manual cut there. I've got that down feeding reasonably quickly, cutting through wood. So that's that cut. I'll take it up. So that's the manual operation. The downward control is working well. I'll flick it over to auto cycle and we'll do an auto cut there. I've got it programmed for 25mm lengths. So that's come up, feed the material through, and now it's doing its second cut. Finish that, feeding the next one through. That's showing me on the counter how many it's done. So there we go, that was that auto program finished there. So there it is, working manually and in automatic. It's in good working order and ticks over nicely and is ready to go into use.